By the time of this recording, Toncoin is trading at around $2.94. That's more than 70% down from its all-time high. It's a big drop, and if you've been holding Toncoin, this might feel discouraging. But the real question now is there still hope for Toncoin? Let's take a look at what the charts are telling us. Starting with the moving averages, everything still points downward. The price is sitting below the MA ribbons, which is usually a sign that bears are still dominating the market. As long as we stay below those ribbons, it's hard to say that we're in any sort of recovery or reversal. So from a trend perspective, things are still looking bearish. Looking at the RSI, it's also below the median line. That tells us that momentum is weak. The bulls haven't taken control yet, and we're not seeing enough buying pressure to push prices higher. If RSI continues hovering below the 50 mark, it usually means the sellers still have the upper hand. Same story with the MACD. It's still trading under the red bars, showing that we're still in a negative momentum zone. There's no bullish crossover yet, no green signal bars, just consistent bearish pressure. This suggests that we're still not out of the woods. But here's something worth noting. Toncoin is now sitting at a major support level. This current price zone between around $2.30 to $2.80 has acted as a strong resistance in the past. Every time the price would rally and hit this zone, it would get rejected and retrace back down. Now that the price is below its all-time high and has dropped back to this zone, what used to be resistance is now acting as support. That's a classic case of role reversal in technical analysis. If Toncoin can stay above this support range, there's a good chance it could hold its ground or even bounce. But if it breaks below this zone, it might turn back into resistance, and that could lead to even deeper price drops. So what's next? This support zone is crucial. If the bulls want to prove that there's still strength in Toncoin, this is the area where they need to make a stand. Holding this level could attract buyers looking for a bottom or entry point. But if we see volume picking up on the sell side and a clean break below support, then we might have to prepare for another leg down. Now, looking at the bigger picture, yes, Toncoin has dropped significantly. But that doesn't automatically mean it's game over. Corrections like this are normal in crypto, and many solid projects have gone through similar phases. The question is whether the fundamentals and community behind Toncoin are strong enough to carry it forward. So, is there still hope? That depends on your perspective. If you believe in the long-term potential of the project, then this could be seen as a good accumulation zone. But if you're more of a short-term trader, it might be wise to wait for stronger confirmation before making any moves. For now, the technical indicators are telling us to be cautious, but the support level we're at could become a key turning point. Do you still hold Toncoin? What's your strategy? Holding? Buying more? Or are you out already? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gave you some clarity. Until next time, stay safe and keep learning. Have a great day.